Howdy! I wanted to take a few minutes and share with you some of the details about our new membership. At Uni-Serve, we are transitioning from a standard maintenance plan to a membership with multiple options to meet your comfort needs. One of the things that we are really excited about is our partnership with Smart AC. Smart AC is essentially a technology company that makes software and sensors to monitor AC systems and be able to tell you when there's an issue in pretty much in real time. So right here, I'm standing by a supply grill, giving nice cold air here in the Houston summer. And we got a Smart AC sensor monitoring the supply air temperature. And so that's one of the sensors that we're able to add to your system so that we can measure the supply air. We also have one that we can put on the return side so that we can measure the return air temperature as well as the pressure. And then it'll tell you when you need to change your filter. So how cool is that? We also have one that we can put in the drain pan to detect any water so that we know when that drain line gets plugged up and we start to fill up that drain pan so that we know when there's water and when we need to come out and clear out that drain line. And so what this does is it allows us to monitor your system year round. So essentially around the clock. Even while we're sleeping, it's collecting data and telling us how that system is performing. And then when there are any issues, it's going to give you an alert, it's going to give us an alert so that we know that we need to connect and schedule a time for us to come out and take a look at that system. And so we think this is really cool because it allows us to keep an eye on these systems year round. So instead of us just coming out twice a year and being able to get kind of data points at, say one time in the spring and one time in the fall, we're able to collect data year round and be able to tell you how your system is performing. And not only us, you have access to that as well. It's going to tell you when there are issues. And that way it's just more transparency there. You know when there's an issue, we know when there's an issue. We all know how those systems are performing. And so we have a couple options that we're happy to share with you more details, but that's what's happening here at Uni-Serve. We want to do everything we can to serve you at a high level and be able to help you with any HVAC issues that may arise. So we want to maintain your system, repair it when something goes wrong, and then once it gets old and needs to be replaced, we want to be there to help you replace that. So maintain, repair, replace, that's what we're here for. Thank you all for being such great customers. We love being able to serve you, and we look forward to continuing to do that for many years to come.